Brandon.
All right, we've got some more stuff that you didn't know you wanted, but you're gonna need for your van, RV, motorhome, something. Put them in your she shed.
Airstream.
So we've got these guys on our website. So we just wanted to show you what everybody's using and why nowadays. So the Maxxair Fan Deluxe. These guys come with a little remote. Their benefit over another product like the Fantastic might be the fact that you can pull in air or push out air during a storm. You know, because as you can see, this is the closed position. So height-wise, they're about the same with the lids a little bit longer. But on this Airstream, we've got some white ones on the roof that are open. So if you look through the back, you'll see the vented area where it pulls or pushes air through. So, you know, that's the big selling point on these guys. Is during a rainstorm, you can still push and pull air without getting water inside, whereas your classic other vents open like this, and so you be getting drenched during a storm. The Deluxe model has a few features as far as extra speeds, the remote control, rain sensor stuff. Or well, these ones don't have the rain sensors. The Deluxe Fantastic models do have rain sensors, timers, and so on. But yeah, we don't have these hooked up to a battery right now, but do have the remote right here. Comes with a wall mount, so you can put it in a convenient spot.
By the bed and whatnot.
Yep. But yeah, they also come with a 2-year warranty from the factory for any defects. But it fits in a standard 14 by 14 hole, so you can pull out your old junky, cheap one that your trailer came with and upgrade into one of these suckers. So yeah, check it out. We've got them on our e-commerce page, along with some other cool stuff that we'll be featuring soon.